let's continue the live in English.
Oh,
Right
yeah.
now you're talking.
Oh, yeah. Now you
Okay.
talk.
So put the bongo on the
Okay.
live.
We put the bongo.
Yeah, let's talk about.
Bongo.
You gonna call him on his phone? You have his phone number?
You have the you have this the bongo's number?
Call him. No, put him on speaker.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
Put him on speaker.
Let me hear her voice.
Yo, put
Retournez dans le bouton.
right now.
And let me hear her voice.
I want to see how your boyfriend talk to you.
Huh? Yo, this boy?
How is he your boyfriend and you ringing him for so long? That means you're not official.
because his charger. He said he wanted to replace his charger. He misplaced it.
Oh, he misplaced his
He went to
charger.
go. Yeah, he went to go buy another one. I was just talking to him earlier.
Okay. Oh, okay. What you guys talk about?
Oh, why? Why?
Oh, I just want to understand how the relationship works.
So you don't find the bongo? Or he never pick up?
No,